Welcome back to my channel. If unfamiliar, my name's Miss Bri. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the red button under the screen, and let's see what adventure we're going on today. Happy Easter! We are celebrating Easter at home. Last year, I did a super funny Easter video with a preschool buddy of mine. It is so silly. Here is a preview of the video. I will give him an Easter egg to shake, and he will need to guess what's inside. There are 5 total Easter eggs. Have you seen that video? If you have not, the link is in the description below. So I decided this year to do another Easter activity video. I did 9 Egg-cellent activities to do at home. If you don't have all the materials, no worries. Substitute with other materials that you have around the house, or just do another activity. You have 9 to choose from. And here is a preview of all 9 activities. Now I decorated my balloon egg. Ooh. So Bunny says touch your head. And so everyone must touch your head. Bunny says touch your shoulders. And then you pass out bingo chips. And that's where I decided, since it's Easter, I'd use the Annie bunny-shaped grams. The water's turning green. Clouds are shine. Why not do an Easter activity outside? We actually saw a cute mother duck, and she had 12 little ducklings right over there. I'll show the footage. Isn't the mother duck and her 12 little chicks just the cutest? Oh, yes, they do appear in one of my videos. that it is a 3-part video of my Easter activities, part 1, part 2, and part 3. Well, have a healthy and fun Easter. Look out for video part 1, part 2, and part 3 of Easter activities at home. Well, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.